First reading, Hosea chapter 10 verse 1 to 3, 7 to 8, 12. Israel, a vine full of branches, the fruit is agreeable to it, according to the multitude of his fruit he hath multiplied altars, according to the plenty of his land he hath abounded with idols. Their heart is divided, now they shall perish, he shall break down their idols, he shall destroy their altars. For now they shall say, we have no king, because we fear not the Lord, and what shall a king do to us? Samaria hath made her king to pass as froth upon the face of the water. And the high places of the idol, the sin of Israel shall be destroyed, the burr and the thistle shall grow up over their altars, and they shall say to the mountains, cover us, and to the hills, fall upon us. Sow for yourselves in justice, and reap in the mouth of mercy, break up your fallow ground, but the time to seek the Lord is, when he shall come that shall teach you justice. Psalms chapter 105 verse 2 to 7. Sing to him, yes, sing praises to him, relate all his wondrous works. Glory ye in his holy name, let the heart of them rejoice that seek the Lord. Seek ye the Lord, and be strengthened, seek his face evermore. Remember his marvelous works which he hath done, his wonders, and the judgments of his mouth. O ye seed of Abraham his servant, ye sons of Jacob his chosen. He is the Lord our God, his judgments are in all the earth. Gospel, Matthew chapter 10 verse 1 to 7. And having called his 12 disciples together, he gave them power over unclean spirits, to cast them out, and to heal all manner of diseases, and all manner of infirmities. And the names of the 12 apostles are these: the first, Simon who is called Peter, and Andrew his brother, James the son of Zebedee, and John his brother, Philip, and Bartholomew, Thomas and Matthew the publican, and James the son of Alphaeus, and Thaddeus, Simon the Canaanite, and Judas Iscariot, who also betrayed him. These 12 Jesus sent, commanding them, saying, Go ye not into the way of the Gentiles, and into the city of the Samaritans enter ye not, but go ye rather to the lost sheep of the house of Israel. And going, preach, saying, The kingdom of heaven is at hand.